wait, no.
And today is
Jackie and Mary Show. Hi, Tristan. So, today we'll be talking about
hair puppets. I'm the dude.
and I'm the girl. What's wrong with my mouth? Why is it all the way over there?
You made me draw that.
So
This is what we do in English class.
oh,
Today.
this is what we do in English class. So we're done with our work, and look at my mouth. It looks so nasty. Ooh.
So yeah.
It's like so big. You can fit anything in it.
You're kinky.
I know, right?
Okay, anywho.
So we're still gonna be using our hands.
I wear the pants.
I wear the skirt.
Technically, I wear the skirts.
And I wear the pants.
But in this case, oh shit.
Why is that done? Did you just say that? It's okay.
I'm sorry, I have unattractive qualities.
Look how big that was. Look how big that.
It could fit anything in there.
Mine's so small. I can't fit it. Here, you can try this. Oh, I can't get it in.
We need a height.
I need to help him get his head bigger.
I need a bigger animal balloon size.
You just need to stretch it open.
Whoop-pow!
Wait, we're Tristan. Yeah.
Go.
There.
What about? I can't do it. I can't. Whoop-pow! What the? You didn't even hit him.
Are you putting this on Facebook?
No. Okay, too embarrassing. We'll make a better one.
Want some? No, I'm gonna get wet. I'm gonna get wet. I'm gonna get wet.
It's good to get wet.
Good. Make it moist. Oh, hi. Hey, Jelly.
Just putting.
You know, like hand puppet?
She's having a little fun, you know. She's experimenting with life. I can make it bigger.
What the heck is that? I was like,
That's how big your brush is.
look at mine. Wait, we can make holes within holes.
Topanga, wada vista rava.
Topanga.
A whole new.
Oh, we should do that.
Do another one? Okay.